Well, hi, kids. My name is Sherman, and Mr. Peabody got a hold of me as I was standing in my front yard and asked me to present the next video. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. He also told me to tell you to make sure you pay close attention to your teacher and the video. So, with no further ado, let's get going.
You're looking at Lesson 3, Understanding Divisions. Now, hopefully you clicked on this button here so we can provide you with directions and answers. Now, you'll notice what we're doing here is we're doing basically the same thing we had in Lesson 1, only a little bit more sophisticated. What I'd like to have you do is look at each one of these and decide the groups and how many in this case are left over. For example, we're going to divide this group into 5, right, and place the number here of how many groups we're going to have, but we want you to place the number of how many are left over, or a remainder. You'll notice that we have several problems to do that with. Okay? Now, let's see exactly what we are talking about, and we can provide you with an example. Okay, here is all we have to do, or all you have to do. We're going to divide these items into 5. Let's count how many we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, we're going to divide them in groups of 5. Let's do that. Now, by doing so, you'll notice that we have 1, 2, 3 groups, right? And how many left over? Oops, 2. So 3 times 5 is 15, and we have 2 left over. What we'd like to have you do is complete the rest of these problems, but before you do that, pause the video. Then when you're done, play the video or continue playing it, and we will provide you with the answer. If you would, please pause the video now. Thank you. Okay, to speed things up, let's look at problem number 2. Now, we've already counted these up, so we have a total of 23. So we want to divide them in groups of 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have 2 left over, right? So you should have 7 and 2 left over. So 3 times 7 is 21, and 2 is 23. Let's look at the next one. Number 3. We have 27, and we're asked to divide these in groups of 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 3 groups, and we have how many left over? Well, you can already see that, 6. So 3 times 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 6 is 27. Let's look at number 4. Here we're going to divide it in groups of 4. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in each group. So, how many groups do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 groups. Okay? 4 times 8 is 32, and we have 1 left over. So that makes it 33. Let's look at number 5. Number 5, we want to divide these in groups of 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 times 8 is 16, and we should have 1 left over. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you should have 8 groups, and we have 1 left over. Number 6, we have a total of 20. So we're going to divide this in groups of 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another 6 is 12, and another 6 is 18, right? So we have 3 groups, and 3 times 6 is 18, plus we have 2 left over, okay? Let's look at number 7. Divide this in groups of 90. We have a total of 26. So we have 2 groups, because we can't make 9 out of this one, right? So we have 2 groups, oops, 2 groups of 9. It's 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So how many do you have left over? 8. And the last one, we want to divide this into groups of 8. We have a total of 20. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 2 groups of 8. That's 16. All right, so 2 groups of 8. We have 4 left over. So 16 and 4 is 20. Okay, well, I hope your answers matched ours, and hopefully this is helping you or allowing you to understand basically division, because division is extremely important to know. Thank you for watching our video.
That's all, folks.